Okay, so next thing, Norm, is I've just added in another thank you page here. So I've just noticed on this page here, if I went through and clicked no to the offer, it just takes me to this page anyway. So what we can do is just on that link for it, we can just redirect straight to this page here. So just make this page look the same as this page. So it's got the same background. Just make it look exactly the same, but make that this a thank you page, and then you can just take that out. Well, just make it look exactly the same as this page here. So if you can make the order confirmation page or the Black Belt System thank you, I'll just rename it to free Facebook course thank you. I just renamed it free Facebook ad hack course. So we'll have to just redirect anyone who goes from the first upsell. So if I opt in, don't want that, I just want the free course, I should go straight, just hit no thanks. I shouldn't get this page, I should just go to the thank you page that says, okay, thank you. Thanks. What have we got written on the other one? So obviously on the free one, we don't need to say thank you, your order is complete. Just say your account created, thank you. Please check your email inbox for login details and access the free Facebook ad hacks course. So keep it exactly the same as this one, but just change it to that, what I just said. Your account is created, thank you. Please check your email inbox for your login details and access the Facebook free Facebook ad hacks course. And in the box there, we can just have a link that goes to Kajabi. So obviously do that on this one here, and then when we set up the URLs, we can redirect it from that link in the upsell page. So can you go ahead and do that, and I'll also give you all the URLs to set all this up. So we can set the URLs up, and then the last thing that I want you to do, I've noticed that the website on the actual Kajabi web homepage is to the Black Belt System. So I'm going to change it to the I already have started changing it to GMS DIY Academy, so courses and resources to help crush it. So anyone who goes to the Black Belt System, and I want to have, I'm going to set this up. So we'll have each of our products there. So there'll be the Black Belt System. We'll have the free Facebook ads hack course and the toolbox. So I just don't think we've got a sales page for Facebook Kickstarter's guide. Okay, we do there. So we'll just need to create another sales page for the ad hacks toolbox, and add that in there once you've got that. So if you could just work on that, and can you change these images here on the actual sales pages for each to match up with the course pages, the course images. So they should all be loaded up in here. I might have a jump in and see if I can do that while you're doing these other little bits and pieces. Thanks.